The Mini John Cooper Works Electric follow a rich heritage of previous John Cooper Works models and maintains the characteristics worthy of the JCW name, but on fully electric vehicles for the very first time. With the new all-electric Mini John Cooper Works models, we are bringing the legendary performance and driving dynamics of Mini into a completely new era. We are combining the tradition and character of the Mini brand with the latest technology to create a unique driving experience that will thrill our customers, says Stefan Richman, head of Mini. The Mini John Cooper Works Electric is priced from £39,120 OTR, with first customer deliveries commencing in April 2025. Over 6 decades ago, designer John Cooper developed a sportier version of the classic Mini, becoming an instant success on racetracks and rally courses globally before the name was cemented in history with 3 victories at the Monte Carlo Rally across the 1960s. John Cooper Works has been transferring this success from the racetrack onto traditional Mini models ever since. JCW's 54.2 kWh batteries provide 340 Newton-meters of torque and a maximum speed of 124 miles per hour. The Mini John Cooper Works Electric reaches 62 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds. Engineers have developed an all-new electric boost function to further enhance power delivery on the new electric John Cooper Works models. Once John Cooper Works mode has been activated using a rocker switch on the steering wheel, the driver receives an additional 20 kilowatts of electric motor power. Using this function, both vehicles achieve 258 bhp. New John Cooper Works specific suspension maximizes mini go-kart handling, while high-performance grip tyres come as standard on all electric John Cooper Works models to support grounded and agile handling. The new John Cooper Works variant's exterior design builds on the standard model's design language while showing a more aggressive appearance. The red, white and black John Cooper Works logo, inspired by the checkered flag of motorsport, offers a nod to racing heritage, while a gloss black trim is standard across the model. Black side skirts, aero blades at C-pillar level and a rear spoiler optimize aerodynamics, while red vertical reflectors and diffusers contrast with the rear black apron. Aerodynamically optimized wheel designs in black with red accents are available exclusively for the all-electric models, with 18 for the Mini John Cooper Works Electric offered as standard. Chili red brake calipers sporting a white JCW logo and a chili red roof are standard, while a John Cooper Works-specific multi-tone black to red roof is available optionally. The black and red JCW colour scheme continues inside the vehicle, where a black and red pattern decorates the knitted surface of the dashboard. The driver and front passenger seats are upholstered in black synthetic leather with multicoloured knitted fabric at the shoulders and red accent stitching, while the ambient interior lighting illuminates the headlining as a JCW model exclusive feature. The high-resolution 24cm circular OLED display is the heart of the Mini cabin, providing all relevant vehicle data, air conditioning, media, phone and navigation settings. The new Mini Experience modes, Vivid, Core, Green, Timeless, Balance, Go-Kart and Personal mode, allow the interior ambience to be customized to further personalize the cars. With Mini Digital Key Plus, owners can use their smartphone as a vehicle key for a convenient and personalized experience. The digital key can be transferred between several users and replace the conventional key. For a streamlined user experience, as soon as the driver is less than 3 meters away from the vehicle, the front and rear lights begin a welcome animation and the doors unlock automatically. The Mini John Cooper Works Aceman and Mini John Cooper Works Electric can be charged via 11 kilowatts AC and up to 95 kilowatts DC, variant dependent. At a fast charging station, the battery for both models can be charged from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. The Mini app provides a convenient overview of the vehicle status and charging process, including current battery status, charging optimized route plans, and charging history. Finally, drivers can instruct that the interior cabin is air-conditioned by a set departure time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice and reviews.